Hi everyone, so today I want to give you a review of a software that just went live some hours ago. It's called ProfitFunnelz, and this software is an app that you can use to create a very good looking sales funnel, basically sales page builders, so you can use to create any kind of page. It has lots of templates and all. So first up, I want to drive you through the sales page so I can show you some of the highlighted benefits and features of the app, and then eventually I'm going to take you into the app itself to show you exactly how it works. And then I'm also going to drive you through some bonuses I have for you if you get this app through my link. So first it says here, it's a newbie friendly cloud technology that helps you to build completely done for you websites and many money making sales funnels at a push of a button. And some other benefits that you have: it has drag and drop features, hundreds of templates, and some AI self-learning editors, self-hosting, or you can host by yourself, get faster loading websites, 60-second setup wizard, no coding, create incredible pages, unlimited end-to-end SSL encryption, and one-time offer, unlimited bandwidth. You have nothing to download or install unless you want to. 100% newbie friendly, is compliant with GDPR, ADA, and all, optimized for speed, 24/7 support, and protection against malware. All of these things these are all promises and benefits that the software offers for you. But what is more important is the actual thing you are able to do with the software inside. So create this in 3 simple steps. Well, we're going to go into the software and show you how to create it, not necessarily 3 simple steps. It probably can take more than that. Look beyond the reviews of people who probably used and not used, and these are numbers actually. These are how much you can possibly make if you create a very good sales funnel or sales pages using this app. But it doesn't necessarily mean that all of this money is what you're going to get. It all depends on what your offer is, and then how much traffic you are able to drive, and what your audience are responding to mostly. So that's what's going to determine your sales. So all these sales figures are not necessarily what you're going to get. It's about what you're offering to your audience at the end of the day. So pretty much it's a page builder, a very good page builder that you can use to create multiple pages, sales funnel, So I'm going to take you into the app now and show you exactly how it works. So if you like it, you get it. And then at the end of the day, I'm also going to give you my own opinion about the apps, what I think about it. Is it advisable for you to get or not? And then it has a demo video. That you can watch when you get to this page, but it's no need clicking on play because I'm going to go inside and show you a live demo myself. More reviews, because people who've used the app before, and more numbers for you to see that it is possible you can make a buck with it. But like I said, it doesn't necessarily represent exactly what you're gonna get. It all depends on what you're offering, your audience, and how much traffic you are able to drive to your sales page. And yeah, this is another important part I'm trying to get to. Let's review and take a look at everything you get inside of ProfitFunnelz today. Get a full web platform that creates one-click stunning website and sales funnels, dozens of done-for-you templates ready to go, drag and drop editor, 400 plus different blocks, models, and elements you can add to your website. Perfect for sales, affiliate review pages, sales pages, landing pages, and funnels. Perfect for anything else like niche website, SEO sites, affiliate sites, 24/7 white glove support, secret technology providing ridiculously fast loading, 24/7 malware, DDoS, and spam protection keeps you protected. Built-in training, mobile responsive designs, SEO built-in turns your website into one-page ranking based, 100% newbie friendly and easy to use with zero learning curves. Yeah, like it's all of the promises here are pretty much true, because I have used the app, I've tested it myself, and I can say that most of this stuff here are, they are pretty much honest and sincere. So there's only one place I have a comment about the app. I'm going to show you right now when I go inside. So yeah, let's log into ProfitFunnel. Right, this is the ProfitFunnel platform. So I already got an account from the developers themselves, and they gave me a specific account for me to review the product and get a feel of it before I offer them to you guys and recommend it to you guys. And I think it's pretty good. That's how I want to do most of what I'm offering to my audience these days. I want first of all use the product myself. I want first of all check it, play around with it, check it and make sure it works, make sure it delivers exactly the promises that the vendors are making, before I can tell you that yeah, go ahead and purchase this, and I can back the guarantee that it actually works. So yeah, let me go right into ProfitFunnel now and show you how this works. And click. Yeah, so we're right inside the ProfitFunnel platform, and as you can see, I have created a couple of pages using this app. This is a specific account that the developers of this app can give to me, so I can be able to play around with the app and make sure it works before I can recommend it to my audience. And I think it's pretty cool. That's exactly what I want to be doing these days with the apps I'm recommending to you guys, because I want to make sure it works. I want to make sure you're getting value for your money. So I have to first of all make use of the app and do exactly what it says it does. If it doesn't, I won't tell you to buy it. If it does, I'll tell you to go ahead and buy it. And if it does do what it says, with a few hitches here and there, I'll also go ahead and tell you that this app is good. It does ABC, but it has one or two downsides. I'll point it out to you, and that's exactly what I want to do with this app now. So I'm going to go right in and create a new project so I can show you how it works when you pick it up. So you click on new project. So when you click on new project, you get a ton of templates. Yeah, a ton of different templates that you can use. It has some really good templates. Some of them has better previews than others, so we're probably going to select one of those that has better previews than others and use it for this demo. Let me pick up one that I like. All of these ones also has something inside of them, so if you click on it, you can preview it, see exactly what is inside. Okay, so let's probably just pick up one of those. They just don't have good images, but yeah, you have stuff inside. So let's see, let's call this agency press template, right? And click on print. So it's now loading up the template editor that will enable us to make the changes that we want to make to the page, and boom, we have it all set up. So we have it all set up now. and I can change the logo. As you can see, yeah, I just added my own logo to it and it looks pretty good. And then I can decide to change this button to anything. I can change the text and change the text to something else, maybe like say something like contact us, or maybe about. And you can also add a link to that. Change the link and add your own link. Let's say I'm probably gonna add a different link to it. Alright, so click on, let's say, new window. So you can decide to add multiple links to this. You can have more than one links, and you can also change that layout to something else, maybe 3. So you have this. And also you can pretty much change any other thing that you want. Just select the item you want to change and come over here to click on edit text, and you can change the text to what you want. You can pretty much change the text to anything. Let's say I will copy this particular one here, copy that and put it right here. Remove the formatting. Change that to anything, and I can also decide to make little changes here and there. Tweak the text as you want, change the colors, probably change the color. We say for one type, I won't make it a different color. You can change the color to anything. I'm not a very good designer, so this might not look extremely great, but I just wanted to show you that pretty much you can make any changes you want to make to the pages, templates, just the way you like it to look. And when you're done, make sure you click on save project here, click on save project, and when the project is saved, you can click on the preview button to see exactly how it's gonna look when you're done with the whole setup. So you can see the changes we've made and how it looks. It looks pretty good. It looks exactly like a website. If you had more buttons, you have it here. If you don't want buttons, you can actually add other menu items to this place. If I had more time, I could spend more time tweaking things up and making it look more awesome than this, but I think this is great. If I have a product I want to sell with a sales page like this, all I just need to do is to change the copies, and within a matter of minutes or probably a few hours, I have these all done and set up. If I was going to pay a developer or a sales page creator to create something like this for me, I'm probably going to spend a few bucks, like probably up to $1,000 actually to get this thing done, because I'm gonna also have to do the copies and the rest of them. So, but if you get the app, you'll be able to actually accomplish an awesome sales page like this in a matter of minutes. You'll be all done. As long as you have the copies may not really suit your own purpose, but if what you're selling is similar to this item, then you can pretty much just tweak your copies and make a few changes where you want to make them, and you have a full-blown sales page all set up, right? So when you've got this like this, the next thing you need to do, you have a few options here. You can decide to use your default URL for your sales page. this is the default URL. But if you don't want that, you have an option to add your own branded domain here. Or also, if you have a form on the website, you can add the email address where you want to have the form inputted. You can have the email address here, and if you want to export it as well, you can also use this export link here to export it. Another option you have is have more settings. If you want to have auto save, you can do it here and all that. But here's the place I have the problem with this app. I tried to connect this app to my domain, and after making the changes, I'm not sure I'm going to go through the process again. But the first time I tried to use it, after making all the changes, all the edits on the site, and I tried to export the app, the page to my own WordPress website, because you should be able to export it, or just connect your domain here. I tried connecting my domain, and for some reason it wasn't picking it up. It wasn't picking up the domain that I connected, so it means that this is probably still under development and not fully working yet. And also I tried as well to export it using FTP, and also the STP didn't respond very well. And obviously you can see here that the download button as well is not enabled for download. So in a way, if you're okay having the site up and running with default domain here, this is a good buy for you at the moment. If not, probably you want to give it a little more time before you purchase it, and make sure that the developers have fixed the problem with this area. Once that is done, I think this is a great product, and it makes building sales pages pretty much fast and easy. So that's it for me. That's what I think. I think this is a great app, and I think it's a great product that you can easily use to create an awesome sales page like this that's probably supposed to take you days or weeks to complete, but in a matter of minutes you'll be up and running using the ProfitFunnelz app to build something like this, except from the shortcomings that I just pointed out in terms of you trying to export this to your own domain. It is an awesome app, so if you're comfortable just using it with the default domain where it is hosted currently, I think it's a great, very good product for you to get. So and if you got this, I've got some cool bonuses for you, which I'm going to go through right now to show you.